Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. The elderly are more susceptible to fractures as they have more falls and weaker bones. We asked a paramedic for their thoughts on fractures in the elderly.
As we age, our bones become much more brittle and we're susceptible to arthritis, osteoporosis, all sorts of conditions that mean we are more susceptible to having fractures and injuries to our bones. So in that situation, it takes a lot less for an elderly person. So somebody in their later years is treated as if they have a spinal injury with much lower mechanism patterns because of their age and because of their brittle bones. So from the age of women reaching menopause, their bones deteriorate. And I think it's really highly recognised that if you're over the age of 65, 1 in 3 people are susceptible to falling once a year or more. And when you get up into the 80s bracket, that increases. Sort of 1 in 2 will fall at least once in a year. So always be suspicious that bones may have been broken or their spine is vulnerable. I've once been to a patient that was kneeling on a really lovely soft plush carpet, and she went from kneeling down but hit her jaw on the coffee table, and she had fractured her spine just from kneeling to the ground. So we always have that high index of suspicion to protect their spine as they age.